guys, welcome back to my channel. So this is my long-awaited, at least for me it's long-awaited, Nordstrom anniversary sale haul. I know it's been a minute since the Nordstrom anniversary sale already ended, but I finally got all my items, so I'm super excited to share with you guys the items I actually picked up. I will do a try-on as well. So if you want to check out everything that I picked up from the Nordstrom anniversary sale for this year, definitely keep watching. If you are new here, thanks so much for checking this out. I'm a full-time working mom, but in my spare time, I love making these videos on fashion, beauty, mommy lifestyle, a little bit of luxury, and reselling as well. So those kind of things sound at all interesting. Definitely check out my other videos linked below, and please also consider hitting that subscribe button too. If you are a returning subscriber, thank you so much for watching another video. Alright guys, so if you checked out my Nordstrom anniversary sale wish list, which I will link down below, I had my eye on a lot of the items I'm about to show you. But I also added a bunch of other stuff that wasn't included in that video. I went a little bit crazy for my standards at least because I was really trying to pare down items that I bought this year. But, you know, the sale just kind of wraps you up, and items that were sold out became available and restocked, so I just could not resist some of these pieces. So I'm so excited to share with you guys what I actually picked up. Although the sale obviously is already over because I'm filming this video really late, these items, for the most part, are still available. So I will link down below what I can still find. And keep your eye out for these things. What I do is I like to keep a running wish list of items, and you will get notified if they go on sale again. And trust me, a lot of these items I know are going to go on sale again, sometimes even better sale prices than were available during the anniversary sale. So definitely keep your eye out for these items. I think I have some good ones, so let's get into it. Alright, so the first item that I want to share with you guys is my one jewelry item that I decided to pick up from the sale. I will show you guys up close so you can see some details. Alright, so here is how the item actually came to me. So the box really isn't anything special, which is a little bit unhappy about because this is from Kendra Scott. And usually when I purchase items from Kendra Scott, even in the anniversary sale previously, they tend to come with the really nice kind of yellow with gold foiling box. But this just came like this. But, you know, this is for me, so not a big deal. But if I was buying this for a gift, I would have honestly liked a little bit nicer packaging. But here is the dust bag. And I will show you guys the earrings that I picked up. So it is this beautiful pair of studs, and they are oversized studs, as you can hopefully see here. I picked them up in the mother of pearl, but they did come in several different other colorways, including a beautiful purple one, which I may still pick up, and a really nice turquoise. So it has the mother of pearl look here. It has the gold hardware, as you can see, and little beads on the outside. So I love Kendra Scott earrings. I love going to the color bar and picking out different colored ones, and I tend to play around a bit with my earrings, as I've talked about before. My other jewelry, I wear a lot of fine jewelry, as you can see, and I never take them off. But for earrings, I never want to sleep with earrings on, even if they are fine jewelry. So I like to play around with different styles. So I'm just going to go ahead and pop these on. Okay, so here is how these look on. Hopefully they're focusing okay. I'm going to wear them kind of in this vertical direction, though I think you could wear them horizontal. I love these. They're super comfortable, lightweight. I think they're professional enough to wear to the workplace, which I will be doing. I love wearing a little bit larger studs like this, especially on a lot of Zoom calls and video meetings. I think they have a bigger presence than smaller studs. So I am excited about these, super comfortable, and yeah, definitely classic, but a little bit of a pop as well, I'd say. Alright, so the next item I picked up was a bra, and I'm not going to try this on to spare you guys, but it is the famous, I will say, Natori Feathers bra. And I got this in this color cosmetic, which is this just nude color, and I got it true to size, and so far, you know, I did try it on. It does fit pretty well. I'm worried that a lot of this mesh here is going to easily snag, is my only concern, but it is a real beautiful bra. Let me show you guys some details up close. So here are some of the beautiful details. It has some lace detailing, and what I was talking about is this mesh area here is just really delicate, so I'm worried that is gonna tear, but we'll see. I'll let you know wear and tear in the future. But it is a comfortable bra. I think it looks really pretty. I love how the neckline is super deep and wide so that you can wear this with a lot of tops and it won't show. So I'm excited to use this and try it out. People just rave about this line, so I had to give it a try for myself. Okay, so I picked up 3 pairs of shoes in the sale, which is more than I needed, but you know, I couldn't resist. So the first is another pair of On sneakers. I've talked about these before. These were on my wish list. I picked up the same style in the white gray colorway last year in the sale. I wear them every single day I go to the hospital. So whenever I'm on a hospital rotation, I wear my On sneakers because they are super comfortable. I think they look professional enough, and I mean, everybody wears these around. So I had to get another pair. I really loved this colorway because it has the black laces, so it looks different than my other ones. This is more of a gray base compared to the white base that I had before. So I think this will go with different outfits and super, super comfortable. For this particular style, I do size up half a size. I don't think I technically have to probably, but I like to. It gives me a little bit extra room because, as I'll show you in a minute, the tongue of the shoe doesn't separate from the upper. So it is a little tighter in that sense. So I tend to like to wear a half a size up. So here's the shoe up close. It has this famous bottom here, which is a little bit of a rocker style. And I think it just looks super cute. They're very, very comfortable, very, very lightweight. What I was talking about is see how the tongue of the shoe is attached to the upper here, which is different than most sneakers. So for this reason, it is a little bit tight getting in, which is why I like to go up half a size. But that's just for this particular style. I'm not certain if all the On shoes do this, but for this style that I love, that is something to think about. But super fun and practical. All right, so this next pair, no doubt you have seen. It is this pair of flats from Steve Madden. Obviously, this is Chanel-esque, and I talked about this in my wish list video as well, that at some point I hope to add the Chanel flats, which I just haven't yet to my collection. But this is a great alternative, and I think it's great for work. Although I definitely wear some luxury to work, I would wear the Chanel flats. These I would not be quite as worried about wear and tear, so I'm going to try these out first. So I thought these were really cute, super comfortable, true to size. I'm showing you a little bit of a try on here just for your reference, but I mean, it's hard to get any more classic than these. Just super pretty, a pretty low heel, just a classic color. All right, so my last pair of shoes, I had to go with a pair of boots. I buy a pair of boots almost every year in the sale because the sale is geared toward more fall type of styles to get you ready for fall. So a lot of boots always in the sale are available. I went for these from Dolce Vita. This has the Western inspired detailing, as you can see. It has an interior zip, which is good, and really nice toe box. So I really love this style. I went for the all black leather because although it is trendy with the Western vibe, it is black, so it's classic. So I think I can pull this off wearing this to work with just work style business type of look that I tend to wear a lot. I'm going to wear this with dresses as well. Just style them like regular black riding boots, I think works because it's all black. So I will let you know how they work out for me. The calf isn't too narrow. I have, I'd say, a medium size calf, and it fit in very nicely. It wasn't too tight at all. So as you can see in the try on, they go pretty high up though. It doesn't touch the knee, but it goes pretty high. So I really love this look, and I love that it's in all black because although it's Western, it's classic as well. All right, so next up is the pair of pajamas I decided to go for, and it's the classic Nordstrom pajama set. As I talked about in my wishlist video, I love the shorts version of this. They also make a pant version, but at least in California here, it's usually pretty warm. You wouldn't guess it based on the sweater I'm wearing. I'm dying in the sweater, but usually it's pretty warm here, obviously. So I like to wear the shorts versions, even in the winter, because I just like to cuddle in blankets then. So when I saw this colorway this year, I could not pass it up. I have several different pairs of these, but I did not have this beautiful stripe pink color. And it has a really pretty turquoise piping here, as you can hopefully see. So this is so comfortable. The shorts aren't too short. I'm showing you a try on here. I wouldn't probably wear this short of a short outside of the house, but for pajamas, totally cool. So I love these. They're so cute. I love the pink stripes. Definitely recommend a set of pajamas if you haven't tried them yet. All right, so next up is a really pretty drapey blouse from Halogen. So here it is, and it is one that has a little bit of a cowl neck in the front, as you can hopefully see on the try-on here. And it's just a really pretty basic top, but I love the little bit of a cowl and a little bit of an extended sleeve as well. So I thought this was perfect for work. You can pair with anything because it's black, including printed bottoms and skirts, which is really how I was envisioning this. But great basic, especially for the workplace is what I was thinking of. I think it fits well. I went true to size in a size small, and as you can see in the try on here, I think it fits me pretty well. The armholes are a little bit generous, I'll say, but I definitely wouldn't go smaller in terms of sizing. They also had a beautiful camel color, which was available too when I was purchasing this, but I just decided to get one and be good. So I went for the black. I just thought it'd be more practical for my wardrobe. So yeah, definitely recommend this top. It wasn't so expensive either, and just a super versatile basic. All right, so next up, as you can see in that picture, I paired it with a really beautiful pair of pants. This one is from One State, and it's this really nice work style pant. But what I loved about it is the wide leg at the bottom. This was meant, I believe, to be crop / ankle look, but I am only 5'4", so as you can see in the mod shots here, this actually looks like a full length pant on me, which is really what I was going for, a long leg, wide leg pant that I can wear to work. I have a lot of more skinnier work pants, but I wanted more of a wide leg type of look. So I thought this was perfect. It's a little bit tight on me, I will say, but it fits. So I think it'll work fine, and it has really nice belt loops. I can wear some belts with this, and it has the typical zipper and hook and eye type of closure. But I thought it was just a really nice classic black pant with a little bit of a flare at the bottom too. So definitely going to get a lot of use out of this one. Alright, so next up is a classic from the sale, I will say, that you've seen everywhere, but I was happy that I got my hands on this one. So this is the really cool Nike sweatshirt that a lot of people have been talking about. And it's this really pretty taupe color, which I think sold out pretty quickly, but it has the Nike swoosh, and it's just a super oversized type of a sweater, as you can see in the mod shots here. So I really love the look of this. It's very oversized. I went true to size. Do not size up, in my opinion. It's definitely meant to be oversized. It's a little bit cropped, as you can see. I do know they offer some of the shorts and sweatpants in the same colorway, so I have my eye on those. I may try to add them as well. But for now, I just went with the sweatshirt. I think it's a super pretty color that I will get a lot of use out of. Very comfortable fleece lines. So yeah, definitely a great one. I just love the cut of this one. And as you can see in the mod shot, I paired it with the denim skirt that I'm currently wearing. This one is from Topshop. It is meant to be a midi skirt, at least that's how it was advertised. But as you can see, it's super maxi on me. I think that was one of the main critiques of this per the reviews, is that it just didn't fit people well at all. It was too long. For me, as you can see, it's maxi, but I think it works because it's a skirt, you can pull it up high. So for me, I think it's okay. I'm going to keep it, but it is longer than I probably would have liked. But I love the design of this. I think denim skirts are going to be super trendy for the fall and winter seasons. I love how it's a lighter colorway of denim, and just the design is really cool with the cutout in the front, as you can see here, and it has the frayed hem throughout as well. I will say it's super comfortable. For me, it fit me true to size, but it's a little bit long. But besides that, really fun look. I'm so excited to style this. I think you can wear it casual with sneakers, as you see here, but you can also wear it a little bit dressier too. Not sure I can pull this off for work, but maybe one of the days when I have just meetings, I think I maybe can pull it off. So we'll see, but really happy with this actually. This is a little bit of a surprise favorite for me. Okay, so I'm going to round out this haul with my 2 sweaters that I picked up this year. I always pick up sweaters from the Nordstrom anniversary sale because they tend to, again, focus on more fall and winter clothing. I love me a cozy sweater. Fall is my favorite time of year for that reason. I can bust out all my sweaters. But right now, we're in the summertime in California, so it's super hot, as I mentioned, but I had to put these on for you. So the first one I wanted to talk about here is this from Free People, and last year I picked up a similar Free People sweater, but it was more of a cozier, thicker knit. This one is more of a thinner ribbed version, and it has a little bit more of a mock neck. As you can see here, I got it in this cream color, and it's meant to be a tunic, but it has really nice stitching detail and really just a nice ribbed pattern. So I love these. These are so versatile. The one I had last year, I just wore it to death. I think you can style them so many ways. You can wear this to work, and it has really good coverage. You can wear it with leggings. Casually, I wear it with jeans all the time. So I just live in these sweaters, super versatile. They look trendy because they're oversized and have the ribbing, but it's also classic as well. So definitely think it's a staple for fall and winter time. And then the final sweater that I got is the one that I'm wearing. This is also from Free People, but this one is more of a cable knit, so I wanted to try this style out. I just love this color. It's a little bit different in my opinion. Again, super oversized, as you would come to know from Free People. This neckline is more of a crew neck or a high crew neck type of style. It's not a turtleneck, but this is also so comfy. I just like Free People because it's just this nice slouchy oversized type of vibe, and I really, really love that for my casual days. Alright guys, so there you have it. This was my Nordstrom anniversary sale for 2023. I hope you enjoyed it. It came a little late, but hopefully you can still use some of these tips as you try to style some of your fall outfits. And again, keep your eye on some of these items because guarantee they are going to go on sale again in the future, so you still have time to pick them up. I will link down below all these items if they are still available right now for you guys. I hope you're enjoying the last bits of summer and looking forward to fall like I am. Thank you so much for watching another video, and I'll see you in my next one. Bye for now.